like a Jamaican artist. In 2020, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer gave an unparalleled performance that forever changed the Versus format, making it both a memorable and commercial affair. The stage was set for 2021 when Beres Hammond's Love from a Distance virtual concert proved to be not only a fitting and record-breaking, but a magical end to Reggae Month. That's according to author and activist Tarana Burke, who placed the Reggae Paragon's show among her top entertainment moments in recent times. Burke is most famous for her role as the founder of the #MeToo movement, a phrase she's been using to raise awareness about sexual abuse and assault since 2006. She's also every bit the pop culture pundit, as she shared a few of her faves and recommendations in a recent Entertainment Weekly interview. Confessing that she hadn't missed any verses during quarantine, Burke shared her genre of verse performance pics, which included the Jamaican legend. When asked what was the last concert she attended, Burke, whose family is from St. Kitts, replied, "In real life, it was the Global Citizen Festival. I'm not a huge concert person, but I will go off for Mary J. Blige and Beyonce every time." But earlier this year, reggae legend Beres Hammond did a virtual concert and it was magical. The experience was no doubt nostalgic for Burke, who, like many adult members of the diaspora, have been tuned into the reggae titan for decades. Named after one of Hammond's many hits, the Love from a Distance virtual concert was billed as a moment in time with a man and his music, a promise the maestro truly delivered on. Over 105,000 viewers tuned in on February 28 via VP Records YouTube channel as he and his superstar friends Buju Banton, Marcia Griffiths, and the unruly boss Popcorn brought his vast and diverse catalog to the world stage. The Grammy-nominated artist set include the hits Can't Stop a Man, I Wish, Come Back Home, Step Aside, Falling in Love All Over Again, and many more, plus the premiere of a new fan favorite, God is Love featuring Popcorn. Hammond's rare musical quality transcends not only generations but geography. He, like Burke, is currently a member of the Caribbean diaspora, but he still spoke highly of the music back home at the end of his show-stopping set. Beres said, "Honestly, I'm feeling very good about the future, not just about Jamaica, but about the music, because I've been encountering with a lot of voices, positive people that are coming into the business. It makes me feel good, it makes me feel warm, because they are still the future." You can watch the full concert in the full article found in the description box, but do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ensure you're following us on all socials at Dancehall Mag.